This old guy DIY video shows some of the modifications I made to my high lift jack base plate after using it today. So earlier today when I shot the video, I had 5 2x4s here and I didn't have the full base supported. So after using the thing, I decided I wanted to support the base, so I added the 6th board. And then I also just drilled a hole through here at an angle and put a piece of paracord in. So when I'm carrying this thing, I have an easy little handle for it. And also if I am using it in the mud or the muck, I can tie a different rope to this thing. And after whatever I used it for, I can pull on the end of the rope and recover my base without having to dig. And the third thing I did is made a little cover. I just took a piece of pine and I drilled 3 holes to cover these little studs, so when I throw it in the back of the car, I don't scratch up the interior of the vehicle. So you can see how this thing fits over. It just sets on there. Then I have this little piece of rope to tie it on. So with that little piece mounted on there, the studs don't come up as high as the board. So when it's time, I just pick it up, take it wherever I want to take it. I don't have to worry about it catching or cutting anything. And if this idea helped you, please subscribe. I hope you have a great day.